Hello, what's good traders? How is everybody? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video on this channel. So today I want to talk about break of market structure, BOS. My name is J3 and I'm happy to be here today to have you guys with me. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified each time I drop educational content like this. Once again, thank you for being here. So we want to talk about break of market structure today, BOS. So if you are a beginner trader, you must have been hearing this break of structure thing every now and then. So it is being signified by this BOS, which means break of market structure. So if you are already familiar with higher highs and higher lows and lower highs, you would understand that for every higher high being taken out and a new higher high being created, there must have been a break of market structure. And in the case of a downtrend, let's use this for example. For every lower low being taken and a new low being created, that means there must have been a break of market a break of market structure, BOS. So that means we have two types of BOS. We have break of market structure to the upside, that is bullish break of structure, and break of structure to the downside, that is bearish break of structure. So this just actually signifies a potential continuation in trend. So when you see market break to the upside, it signifies a potential continuation in trend. You should be looking for an entry after the pullback to get an entry to buy to the upside, or to get an entry to sell to the downside, depending on the market trend. You don't want to go against the trend, you only want to go with the trend. So for example, in this price action that you are seeing sorry please, in this price action that you are seeing right here, I mean this market structure, you can see that price is bullish. So if you zoom from the past price action, you can see price has been bullish, and this is the 1 hour time frame, not just some 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. So we know that price has been bullish. So we are anticipating for a mitigation of this order block, then continuation to the upside. So logically you might think, okay, I can still try to sell to this order block, but the real truth is, the fact is, it is risky, it is dangerous. Price can decide to take out any highs from here and still come back to this order block. In fact, they can even decide to continue to go and take out this high first before coming back to the other block. So the only ideal thing and logical thing to do is to wait for price to come to your POI, and at any point in time price comes there, wait for confirmation before you enter for a buy. So that means you are trading in line with the trend. So to get to have that confidence that price wants to continue buying, you need to wait for price to establish a break of structure, then wait for the pullback for the mitigation of whatever POI you are trading, whether it is order block, mitigation block, breaker block, or whatever it is that you are seeing the market is coming for. Sure you get. So that is that about understanding the basic of break of market structure. But then, as you know, as I said earlier, we have bullish break of structure, which is break of structure to the upside, creating new higher high, and we have bearish break of structure, that is break of structure to the downside, creating new lower low. But then we have valid break of structures and invalid break of structures. Yes, because not all break of structures signifies continuation. There are some break of structures that, if you are not careful, you are going to fall victim of a total reversal while thinking you still want to continue the trend. So anytime you have a break of structure with the wick of a candle and not the full body candle, it is an invalid break of structure. So let me give you an example. Price has been selling during this pullback, and as you can see, we have a break of structure to the downside, a valid break of structure to the downside. So price was selling. We have another break of structure to the downside right here, you see, break of structure to the downside. Then we had another pullback. Then at this point we have a break of structure, but this time around, is it a valid break of structure? So the right answer is no, because price only swept this low with a wick. So it only broke the structure low, this structure low. Price only broke that low with a wick, not a full body candle like this. Not a full body candle like this. It broke that low with what? With a wick. So if you had been thinking that this is a break of structure as well, and you anticipated for a pullback, and you spot this bearish candle and wanted to sell, what will happen? Price will actually reverse on you and take your stop loss. So that means that every break of structure that you see with a wick, most of the time actually signifies a potential reversal. Most of the time they are less likely going to hold for a continuation, so it is an invalid break of structure. So we have this in a bullish example, we usually have it in a bearish example too, in a bearish scenario. I hope you get. So when you see a break of structure with a full body candle, you can have at least 50% confidence that the trend is going to continue. But when you see it with just a wick, that means it has low probability of continuation. So I hope this video has taught you valid and invalid break of structures. It has taught you what break of structure actually means and how to approach it when you are making trading decisions. So as a beginner trader, these are the basic things you need to understand while growing as a trader, so that you will avoid some unnecessary mistakes that beginner traders makes. So this is all I have for you in this session, in this video, and I believe that you learn one or two things from it. So if you enjoyed or learned one or two things from this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and also share to those who you think might benefit from this channel or this video. And also you can even drop a comment in the comment section if you have a question, or you have a video or a topic you want me to make a video on. So thank you very much once again for having me right here. If you want to join our community of traders, I have a WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community. So I think WhatsApp is yeah, it's easy to use by so many people. So I have a Telegram channel as well, and I also have a WhatsApp channel. You can check the description of this channel or the description of this video to find the links to the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. So there you have the chance to talk to me, connect with me one-on-one, and meet other traders too. So once again, thank you very much for having me right here. My name is J3. Do have a wonderful day. Till next time we meet on this channel. Bye bye.